Okay, now in this example, we are going to discuss about how to solve geometric sequence. So you are given 4, 8 and 16. This is not the arithmetic sequence, this is geometric sequence. So to solve the geometric sequence, we will use this formula to find out the Tn. Whereby the Tn will be the number that we want to find. A is the first number and R is the difference between the second and the first number. So for this question, this is how to find the Tn, and if you want to find the sum of the number given in the geometric sequence, you may use the formula given as n equals to, here we have two types of formula, whereby if your r is greater than 1, and this will be your formula, and if your r is less than 1, the formula will be a bit different. This formula when r is greater than 1, and if your r is less than 1, so your formula will be like this. This is whereby when your r is less than 1. Okay, now how to find r? Okay, the to find r, you can find, okay, now let's see how to solve this question. We are going to find the r for, okay, the a for this question will be 4. Okay, what is the r? So to find r, we can use r equals to t1 t2 divided by t1. So 8 divided by 4, you will get 2. So your r is 2. Okay, now say I want to find, so this is the question. So the question A is to find A and R. The question B is to find um, T8. Okay, I want to find T8. And then the question C for S8. C for S8. Okay, now this is the solution for question A. So question B is to find T8. So T8 equals to AR 8 minus 1. So A is 4, R is 2, 2 minus 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 power of 7. So 2 power of 7, 2 power of 7 is 128. Okay, multiply by 4, you will get answer 5, 1, 2. Okay, now we are going to find the answer for S8. Okay, we know R is greater than 1, so I'm going to use the formula above here. So your formula will be written like this: 4 divided by R is 2 power of 8 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, so 4, 2, 5, 5 minus 1. So the answer is 1020. Okay, hope you can understand, whereby I'm just replacing the value AR in the formula given. So please do remember the formula for geometry and the for arithmetic. Now let's see this next question. Okay, now let's continue in question second example for geometric sequence. So now say you are given -4, 8 and 16. Okay, for this question I just want to find the R and T 14. Okay, as I told you before, the formula to find R is R equals to Tn divide by Tn minus 1. So set I'm going to find T2, T1. So I have 8 over -4. So R is -2. Okay, now we want to find T14. Okay, to find T14, the formula is ARn minus 1, which is AR13, which is -4 multiplied by 2, -2 power of 13. So your answer is, once you are using calculator, you can get the answer of 16,384. Positive 16,000. Okay, so this is your answer. So here in this video I have discussed two questions, how to solve your geometric sequence.